And the Jamaica All Schools team will take on Rush in tonight's final of the Caribbean Sports Association Youth Under-19 Soccer Tournament at the Lauderhill Sports Park in Florida. The Jamaicans reached the final with a 2-0 win over a Spanish Under-19 team on Saturday. Kadeen Young of St. Catherine scored both goals, with the first coming in the 4th minute and the second in the 33rd. The Jamaicans got a chance to add to their tally, but Kevon Salmon failed to convert from the penalty spot. Saturday night's success followed their 4-0 win over Cobras in their opener on Friday night, a match in which Young also scored a brace. According to coach Omar Wedderburn, a study was done on their opponents and it paid off.
We really set out a 4-2-3-1 versus a 5-3-2, and a 4-3-3 versus a 5-3-2, and I think it paid dividends this evening, because they are very technical. They play with speed, and they connect very fast, so we were mindful of the pace that they play and the quality team that there is.
Yeah, the Jamaicans go into tonight's contest yet to concede a goal.
I think they are handling themselves very well, because playing and reaching to the final without conceding is very good, and we come here to win, and we are on the right